Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear tips for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. It's pretty simple, so don't worry. Then the right one, here we go. Then select new ear tip size. So I'm going with this one. You can select something else. Now we need to attach them. Firstly, I will do it for the left earbud and then for the right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!